Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. Good morning and welcome, everybody. It's our last day. Been here for a year and a half and over a year without a break. Our last live stream today. Big day. Okay, let's get straight into the markets. We are here every day for the opening and closing bell, up to 10 hours a day, 5 days a week. I'm always here for everybody. Always giving you the truth, showing you what's going on, supporting people through loss, celebrating people through making money. Here to support charities. Over $1 million raised in our studio, from the Martyn Lucas studio to the Day Trader here live on the show. And today it comes to an end for a while. We're taking a break. It's been a year and a half over a year without a single trading day off. So there we go. Portfolio down again today. What a time to take a break. It's painful again today. Let's see who is here first. Grabs his comfy chair in the corner of the room and waits for the show to begin. Mike, there are most important things for market direction for the sake of 10 minutes. Mike, these are the most important things for market direction for the sake of 10 minutes. 22, I don't think it would matter what's going on here. Theodore Roll says, hello everyone. Last October, the same thing. Yeah, last year. Last year indeed. I took a break last year. Isn't that what I just said? I think I just said that. Let me read the comments that came in before. 22, Martin, just a suggestion, but it may be an idea to go live 10 minutes earlier, as most important market data is released at exactly the time you go live. If you went a bit earlier, you could include it. Yeah, I'm already up at 6 o'clock in the morning and working 10 hours. It's a good suggestion. We used to go live at 8 a.m. And now we go live at 7:30, and we went half an hour earlier. As it was. I will take your thoughts on board though, and we'll discuss it in today's show. Anyway, I don't think let's have a look. Hello everyone, last thing, same thing. My birthday is the 19th of October. I know, I can't believe it. 19th of October, Bill, is your birthday. Do you know what I'm going to do? Because you've been a member for the entire time, Bill. October 19 birthday. Okay. I will go live and it will be a member only stream, and we'll do it for the members, and because it wouldn't be good to go general live, because people wouldn't want to, unless I can make it into a trading show, but you know what I mean. Just a suggestion, it's always a time important US data is released. 22, I appreciate that. I will give that some thought. Thank you very much for the suggestion. Really do appreciate it. You've missed two. You used to do a music show after the closing bell. Yeah, but I'm taking a holiday. It's the first time in a year, Bill. I need a break desperately. Good morning, Britt. Good morning. Can you believe what I am about to say? It might be time today to start considering a buy in on tech and chip stock. S&P will wait on in October. Well, remember, the S&P does have some great tech stocks in it, of course. Apple and Tesla, being some of the biggest, are right at the top. So if you're buying tech, you are buying the S&P. Anyway, so think about that. Also spreading your risk. So just think about that. All right, let's go straight into it. Let's see who's with me. Wow, we've got 21 watching us already. That's very, very good. Easy C. Whoa, I've been on holiday for a week. What happened to the markets? How are you doing? Easy C, you're catching our last stream. We got one this afternoon, the closing bell, and that's it for a while. Can you believe? But we are doing special broadcasts. I'm still going to be here. You know what I mean? Can you believe what I am about to say? I know, church. I know. Many people are now saying we are near the bottom. It might go a little bit lower, maybe 5%. But, you know, that's the worst case scenario I've heard is another 10%. Bitter and sweet moment today. Bitter and sweet moment today. There we go, to Church of Logic. Let's go through the stocks. Tesla down. AI day today as well. AI day. Tesla earnings around the corner as well. Many people feel that we're going to rally this week. It might sell off today, of course. It's Friday. We've got the cash giveaway, as always, on Friday. Cash giveaway coming up. Constant Courage over there on TikTok. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? Thank you very much for being here. Welcome. It's Friday. It's Cash Giveaway Friday. We do a cash giveaway every single Friday. That's today. A month without the show will be devastating to my mental health next month. I'll be here every day. You know what I mean. I'll pop in live as well. I'm not going anywhere. I just desperately need a break. Firefly launch scrubbed. Firefly launch scrub. What is Firefly? What is Firefly? McDonald's 0.16. Coca-Cola up 0.28. Spaceline, come back to me. What is Firefly? Tuning in for the finale. Hope you have a great break and enjoy time away. Yeah, the finale is this afternoon. The closing bell. I've got lots of announcements to make, so don't miss it. It's going to be quite emotional. It is. I mean, I've sat here up to 10 hours a day in the studio for every trading day for a year and a half. I took a break in October last year, so it's been a year. It's been a year since I took a break. Spaceline, gotta be a bot. I want to know what Spaceline's saying. Firefly as such. Firefly rocket launch. Which company's that? Which company's Firefly? I've not heard of it. Anyway, Google, Microsoft, Meta, SoFi, IonQ, PayPal. Everything's trying to push back up again. Rolls-Royce 78. I'm out of it. Walmart, Target, Tesco, down another 4%. Can you believe it? It's $6 now. The pound is in all kinds of bother. 34,000. Have we reached the bottom today? Because one day we will. One day this number will be my lowest number. One day. One day. It's got to come soon, hasn't it? It's got to come soon. Otherwise, at the end of the day, if the markets continue to go down and down and down and down, who's going to invest anymore? The whole, philosophy of investing on the stock market won't exist. People don't want to invest and lose money. I was saying to Leah this morning, I'm just throwing my money down a big black hole. Have been doing now for 6 months. And Apple downgrade sparked tech sell-off, sending Alphabet and Microsoft to one-year lows. Yeah, I know. It's tough, isn't it? But I'm not going to write Apple off, or Microsoft, or Google, really. I mean, Apple downgrade, that's the whole S&P over the last 90 years. Are you going to write off the entire history? I don't know. Ukraine says civilian convoy hit by Russian strike near Zaporizhzhia. Putin to announce annexations. I know he's had his scammy annexations, and now we're getting. By the way, Church of Logic is now officially my researcher, news reporter. He does bring great news every day that I post here on the screen, and I think I might do that. Actually, I might do that. Hang on, I've got an idea. Churchy news. Hang on, Churchy news bulletin. Hang on, I might make a little overlay. Churchy's news bulletin, and whenever Churchy gives me a news bulletin, not only will I bring it up, but it will come up like breaking news. I might do that because he does that every day. He's brilliant. There will be a bottom somewhere. 22 says there will be a bottom somewhere. Microsoft outlook for the remain strong. I want to ask as well in the poll. Never asked this before. As we are now approaching the last day of our stream, a year and a half we've been doing this, a year without a break. We're taking our break. What does everybody feel about a rebrand? Now we know what the channel is, what it does for people, where it's going. What do you think? What do you think? We're called the Day Trader. Some people say that's the wrong name because I don't day trade all the time. I do sometimes. What about a rebrand? What about a rebrand? The musical trader, the musical investor. I don't know. You can do it once. You can't do it twice. Once you set up a show, you can, some months down the line, think about that. But what do you think? What do you think? What does everybody think? Or we stay the same? What do you think? Russian pipeline leaks spark climate fears as huge volumes of methane spew into the atmosphere. I know, and I don't see anyone rushing to fix that either. I know. Can't someone turn the tap off? It's terrible. Jeremy Siegel says you should still bet on stocks for the long run as market will overcome inflation. Meeting the needs of the new space economy. Firefly Aerospace is an American end-to-end space transportation company committed to providing economical and convenient access to space. There we go. The Church of Logic. I keep a copy every morning for the show. I wake up and read a lot and stuff. Been reading newspapers since 7 years old. I love it. I do think that is a good idea. You aren't a day trader, more a live investor. I'll have a think. Yeah. I think a rebrand could serve well. James. Britain's Liz Truss holds emergency talk with budget watchdog. The pound stabilises. Oh my gosh, don't even get me started last night. I am seriously considering unsubscribing and unfollowing Meet Kevin. Last night he came on and said the British economy is literally going to zero. It's about to collapse. He did a very sarcastic, silly British accent. No one in England sounds like that, by the way. And says basically everyone in England is stupid and idiots, and we're all going. England's going bankrupt. It's the 5th largest economy in the world for one of the smallest islands in the world. It has extreme amount of conviction and power. If you think that England is about to go bankrupt, then you shouldn't even be investing or talking on YouTube or anything. England is not going to go bankrupt. If England went bankrupt, 95% of the world would already be bankrupt and would all be finished. All right? It's not because I'm proud English and I want to rant about it, but I am getting a little bit overtired now with the constant negative news headlines just to get people to watch. And I looked at the stream and had over 100,000 people watch it in the first 10 minutes. It's making him now about $20,000 a video. Just say anything you like to cause drama and chaos and upset people, and it makes you money. I get into the point now where I'm going, do you know what? I don't want to watch and give you my money because it's my ad revenue going to you as well. So I'm really considering, anything negative, anything informative. Yeah, I want information, but I am getting tired of news headlines which are only done to create fear, create upset, create drama, and make you a lot of money. I am really I feel like a drug addict going to a drug dealer. Do you know what I'm saying? Constantly, buying the baloney for your benefit and nobody else's. I don't see any benefit of negativity. Facts, yes, facts. Information, yes, but constant negativity to create your own wealth, I'm really tired of it. Anyway, Britain's, let's have a look. Rebrand out the door. Keep your name. Yeah, I saw the video. Seriously? Unbelievable. The Yanks forgot they caused the biggest financial crisis in history. Yes, that is true, and that's what took my business. When the financial crisis hit and the credit crunch, the Lehman Brothers thing and all that stuff, that took my business. I told you I went bankrupt once. I lost everything, and that was caused by the American economy, not the English economy. Just not your name. I'm not sure what that means. 22. This is a little bit offensive to us, but I know what you mean. Never heard of him. Don't bother with him, with anyone but you. Thank you, Bill. That's lovely, isn't it? The only people that should to be called Yankees in America are New Yorkers, not America. Who was it who said that? 22 doesn't mean to be offensive. That's a term that's used all around the world. It's like people call me a limey. Why? I don't know. Why do they call me a limey? I think it's because the White Cliffs of Dover are limestone and whatever. But I'm not offended if you want to call me a limey. In fact, somebody did once. I was down in Texas going to a restaurant, and some guy walked up to me, and he went, "Oh, you limey, get out of our country." Honestly, he was trying to be offensive to me, and my family were with me, going, "He's being offensive," and I went, "I don't care. I don't even know what it means." So I don't know. Anyway. Apple versus Amazon. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google have been bond proxies during the low interest rate environment. Now money flows are leaving back into bonds. FireRocket launch failed last night. Firefly launch failed last night. Thank you for that information, Spaceline. Yeah, 22. Yeah, it isn't. So 22 wasn't trying to be offensive. This. Be careful saying that here in America. Just be careful, says church. Plural. Limey SA British person. Limey SA British person. What does that mean then? What does that mean then? Yeah. I'm not offended by it. Call me what you want. Call me what you want. English fool, English clown, guy from England, British lunatic. I mean, I don't care. I'm not going to be offended. It's just, if you want to talk silly, talk silly. I'm just, it is what it is. It's because of the limes in gin and tonics. There it is. There it is. From WikiLeaks. Thank you very much, Bill. Always a useful source, you are. Thank you very much indeed. Right. Okay. Let's see what's going on this morning. Our last stream today, last one's this afternoon. I hope you'll all join me for the last one, for the send off, All right, okay. So let's do our first commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds from now. There we go. We're back. How are you? What sort of day are we going to be today then? Have we reached bottom? Are you fully in on the markets? Are you in one way or another? Virgin Galactic 486. Where do we see the markets going today? Friday, typically a sell-off. Now, it's from the Limes sailor used to it's from the Limes sailors used to use to prevent scurvy. It's from the limes sailors used to prevent scurvy. Why do they call Brits limey? Result of limey. The derogatory slang lime is a short for lime juicer. The original lime juicers were British sailors of the 1800s who got lemon or lime. There you go. So there you go. The regular food didn't have adequate vitamin C. So how's it offensive then? It's not, is it? It's not. I'm not. I mean, the sailors used to use lime. I mean, that's like calling me matey boy, innit? Mate. It doesn't mean anything bad, does it? It doesn't mean anything bad. So I'm fine. I don't care anyway. I don't care. Not everyone in America are Yanks because some are natives to the land and there's many cultures here. When the other side of the world is America, they see power structure, not the people. Oh, yeah, and I can tell you about that as well. I've got a very good story about how the world see Americans. If you'd like to know, I will share with you. As I told you, I've toured 195 countries. And my first visit on land was to Kansas in the United States, and I had a press meeting, and I spoke to all the town about the way the world sees Americans. And if you want to know, I'll tell you about it. But yeah, it was an interesting day. That was the Daily Trading Show, with Martyn Lucas. You can have that for free. The Daily Trading Show. I like that. Rob McLean. You can have that for free, he says. For the long voyages, I'm going to write that down. There you go. When are you back live from holiday? There are shows every day. There are shows every day, and I'll explain today. The shows will be every single day at the same times. You're not going to miss anything, and it's all there. Look, here's the Day Trader homepage. And every day, if you've rung the bell, and I'll explain today how to do that. Look down in the uploads every day at the same time as the opening bell and closing bell. Look, I've got a series of videos. I've worked tirelessly for weeks to bring you a show answering a stock question every single day. Look, this is my new branding, and it comes out on Monday. Okay, the first one is called, where is it? The first one is it'll come out anyway. You'll see it in order when it comes out. It doesn't sort them here like that. Anyway, whatever. But I'm back on the 31st of October for the live show. The Monday, 31st of October for the live show. That was a question you were asking anyway. Thank you, Spaceline. British person, mid-19th century. Not all Brits are sailors either. No, not all Brits are sailors. You know. Hey, trading family. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Morning all. Malk. Voltarian. Voltarian has just subscribed to me on Twitch. That is a very, very good idea. If you subscribe to me on Twitch, just like that, it's absolutely free, and you can use your Amazon Prime. Look, there you go. I've got 16 subscribers. If you subscribe to me on Amazon, 17 now. If you subscribe to me on Amazon Prime for free, or subscribe to me, you will be in our monthly draw. It helps promote Twitch, which is the biggest online streaming platform, even more than YouTube, by the way. So it's very, very important for me to be over there. And it also helps us grow on YouTube. But also the money I earn in ad revenue and subscribers, I give back to you guys as a monthly draw. So you do want to be subscribing to me, especially if you've got Amazon Prime. It's free. And Voltrarian, subscribed for 1 month, is not even a Amazon Prime customer. They've done that out of their own pocket. So thank you very much for your support. I'm honoured when someone actually pays for it like that. It's not the free version, which is very, very decent of you. Thank you so much. All right. The gang's all here. Hi, Mike. Dexter Sickles. Here he is. Last show today. Cash giveaway in an hour and 5 minutes. An hour and 15, of course. Every Friday, no matter what. Oh, 22. That's you. 22. Fantastic. 22 has subscribed to me on Twitch. Well, thank you very, very much indeed. Can't believe it. Thank you so much indeed for that. Much appreciate that. Very kind. And as I say, as a subscriber, every week, every month, of course, every week we have cash giveaways. Today we have a cash giveaway, and every Friday we have the cash giveaway. Every first Friday. Okay, now then, we have the cash giveaway. Did everybody watch the video? This was the newsletter. Here is the newsletter. Have you subscribed to the newsletter? Did you receive it on Sunday, week 13 of the newsletter? There you go. Scroll to the bottom. All the week that was, the details of the party in England, the day trader on tour shirt that you can get, and fleeces and mugs and so on. Scroll to the bottom. All Robin Hood's top tips, the takeaway, the facts of the day, and then there's the competition video as well, and how to subscribe on Twitch. And the competition video. Did you enter? You've still got an hour to enter. Many people do it. This morning on the last moment. Right, just 19 people have watched it and left the correct comment. It's only a 30-second video. Right, let's have a look. 19 is now, 19 hasn't changed this morning. So if you've not opened your newsletter, go and check, and I will give you the email to search if it's gone in your junk folder. Some people don't find it. It goes in the junk folder because it contains cash prize draws. CCL earnings are live. Yeah, I can't cover that this morning, Churchy. This is not a earnings show today. We do that, as you know we do. But anyway, search your junk folder and inbox for the email, The Day Trader at martynlucas.com. Go and check that out. And if you find it, you can enter the draw. It's only 36 seconds long. and leave the correct comment. All right? Okay. Excellent. I get the kids tonight at 3, and it's my birthday. It's your birthday tonight. Absolutely brilliant. We're going to finish a year and a half run. A year run. We've not taken a break for a whole year with Dexter Sickles' birthday. How cool is that? Brilliant. That's brilliant. And when Ed Nevius comes in as well, I've got a special announcement for Ed Nevius as well. We'll do that tonight. How cool is that? How cool is that? All right. Now then, if you've just tuned in right now, we need to get 20 likes in 1 minute. There's 25 watching. Here goes. Let's do it. Let's put the clock up. And if you want to make some money today, let me look into my crystal ball. Let me look into the crystal ball, and yes, let's make some money. You will make money today if you smash the like button. But you have to smash the like button. You've got 40 seconds to turn my 15 likes into 20 likes like magic. Over there on TikTok, we got our cash giveaway this morning. Do you want to be in our cash giveaway? It's for free. It's free to enter, free for all. The link's in the profile, youtube.com/The Day Trader 1. The kids just love this show. Hello, kids. We're going to celebrate your dad's birthday. You better be on your phones and your iPads today so you can wish your dad happy birthday. All right, here we go. 16 likes, 12 seconds to go. Smash the like button. 10 seconds to go. We need 4 more likes. What's it going on? And what's it going on? 16 likes. We're a bit slow this morning. 4 more to go. Never mind. We did our best. We'll try again later. We'll come back and we'll get it up again. All right. So the overall portfolio is down 0.05. We were green a couple of times today. But let's see. It is a sell-off Friday. It's always a tough day. I do the crystal ball sound for them and they just fall apart. You do realise, Dexter, because I used to do that with my 2 boys when they were young, right? The day will come, and you'll go, and they'll look at you and go, Dad, we're not 5 anymore. We're not kids anymore. And you'll go, how old are you? We're 8 now. We're 8. We're not kids anymore. We're 8 years old. Well, when you were 4, when I used to go, you used to love it. Yeah, well, I'm not anymore. I'm 8 now. I'm a grown-up. I don't do that anymore. You know that day's coming, right? I do the crystal ball sound. I love it. It's a trademark. We have the crystal ball sound. Did you know that? Did everyone realise it? There is such a thing as the crystal ball sound. Oh, bloody hell. Yeah, just last week. Yeah, there you go. One of them reached a certain age last week, probably like 8.5, and went, that's it. No more crystal ball for you, Dad. No more crystal ball. I've been putting up with it now since this flipping guy on YouTube started doing it, and it was funny when I was, younger. But now, in the last couple of weeks, I'm older, and now it's not funny anymore. Moderator, hey, thank you, whatever, Rob McLean is doing his moderator stuff on YouTube. Thank you so much indeed, Rob. Rob works so hard, you've no idea, over there. No more shenanigans, Dad. No more shenanigans. Yeah, no more shenanigans. That's it. Stop all this bloody nonsense. No more shenanigans. All right. Apple down 0.51 today. Robinhood down 0.7. Overall, Robinhood is down. And McDonald's is up 0.16, down 3 1/3%. I bought it because it was getting cheaper, and it just kept on going. So maybe I should stop buying stuff. Maybe right now. Oh, hang on a minute! I don't believe it. I haven't got my flipping thing. Look, no one told me. There you go. My tick across the bottom. No one told me about that. Anyway. So, while we're doing this for a minute, while we're waiting for the markets to open and all the good stuff to begin, let's do a little bit of housework, all right? I don't know if anyone realises, but I'm also on Twitch. Now, Twitch acts as the backup for this channel. Some YouTubers, and it does happen, lose their channels. It can happen, All right, you should all follow me. Sorry, not Twitch. I beg your pardon. You should you should follow me on Twitch. But what I was going to say was you should follow me on Twitter. So it's a way for me to communicate. So if I should lose something, or it's a backup to the stream. Here is my Twitter. I have 2 accounts. I have the Day Trader, and I also have Martyn Lucas, the music one. So if you want to follow me on there, of course, all my members and subscribers on TikTok and Twitch, I will follow you back and engage with you. Anyway, let's get ready for the open. Not that long to go, just 27 minutes. It's quite a quiet show this morning. A little bit quiet today. I don't know why. It's Friday. Normally it's our busiest day because the cash giveaway. So hopefully that will pick up soon. Now then, I see a number of people over on Discord. If you are a YouTube member and you've now joined Discord, this is Discord. I've got several names here overnight joined. You need to come into YouTube, chat, and tell me your username because I can upgrade you if you are a member. Because as a Discord member, you don't get to see all the exclusive content. Ed Nivius. Oh, I've been waiting for Ed. Ed, I've been waiting for you. I'm glad you are here because I have got an announcement which is all about you. It's all about you, Ed Nivius. It's all about you. So I've got an announcement to make. Now then, as you know, we end the shows today. We're taking a break. And Ed Nivius is a member of our channel. He's a member of our family. All right. So he asked me to make him a video, which comes out on October the 12th. It's his anniversary for him and Christina. So it's going to come out right after the opening bell on October the 12th. Every day, the opening bell and the closing bell have a 5 to 6, 7 minute video, which everybody needs to watch live so you can chat in the live chat. If you come after that time, the live chat's finished and you can't live chat. The idea is it brings the community together every day. So this video will go live on October the 12th. Look, just after, about 5 minutes after the opening bell. So I want everyone to join in. It's a family member. It's his anniversary. I couldn't do it live because I'm not here. So I've recorded it for him. So here it is. Look. There is the video. You can go and click on it. You could click a like. You can click the notification bell. See that, look? Notification bell, like that. You can also put a comment below if you want to wish him well, him and his wife Christina, on their anniversary. It's a big anniversary too. I'll let Ed tell you all about it. You can leave a comment there for Ed. You can also go into the live chat, and obviously it will go live. I'm going to be the first to say something. Congrats, Ed and Christina. There you go. Congrats. I'm the first one. There you go. All right. So you can go there, leave a comment. And the point is you can all watch it when it goes live, the premiere. Be there live when it premieres. It's a special song for Ed and Christina on their anniversary. And you can catch it right after the opening bell on October the 12th. And there you go. There is the link. I'll give it to you again in case you haven't got it. Didn't see it. There you go. All right, there it is in the chat right there. All right, excellent. Hopefully everybody will join in for that. Good morning all. Good morning all. We're down 0.5% at the moment. Ed, thank you so much. My pleasure. Hi all. Jason is here. Jason Newman. Hello, Ed. Good morning, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Okay. Hi, Mike. Twitchy, said Mike. Good to see you, mate. Good to see you. Welcome, welcome. We just got just over 20 minutes to go. An hour from now, it's just an hour and 5. It's our cash giveaway as well. Let me see now if anybody else entered the draw. It's there was 19 some moments ago. Let's have a look. Has it gone up from 19? Still 19. Okay. Nobody else entered the draw this morning. Just 19 people are in the draw. If you received the weekly newsletter, you've got it. You could just go and search for the email. The email you're looking for is thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. Here is the email. There it is. While you're away, it might be an idea to set some alerts, but not look at the market. Have a break from it. You're not far wrong. You're not far wrong. Have a break from it. Yeah, I mean, it is a concern, obviously, and that's the thing. When you are investing in the stock market and everything's crashing down and you're up to your eyes in it, what the heck is going on with Arrival? Up 13. Let's have a little look. Arrival, 89, up 14%. Yeah. Wouldn't it be great if it takes off? And wow, can you imagine if it does actually take off and everyone's got stocks for 89 cents? Can you imagine it? I don't think it's the right thing to do to jump in this today. I mean, I'm not going to do it. I haven't got the money anyway. I'm fully invested. But yeah, it's 78 cents and now it's 89. It's a hell of a jump. 14% today, no question about it. No question about it. Good morning, Rob. Mike is over there with Rob. Mike's helping out with Rob with the doing the moderation. So it's risky at this point. Dexter Sickles, what the heck is going? Oh yeah, I know. To be honest with you, I'm over it. I mean, I really not a fan of buying a stock at this valuation. You know, if a stock goes that low, there's something wrong. There's something seriously wrong. And when we are in a climate when everything is on the floor, don't get me wrong. That's how millionaires become millionaires. There are people who will believe in this. They'll dump a load of money on it. And if it goes up, my gosh, they are in at the bottom, aren't they? So at the end of the day, it's how you feel. I don't have that sort of money available. I'm already invested in companies that actually make money. SPCE doesn't make money right now. I know that. But I'm fully invested. I think at some point you've got to put the brakes on it and go, enough's enough. Arrival have produced their first van using the microfactory, which is great. And everyone's getting excited, of course. But is it making money? Can it ramp up? Can it survive? I mean, their first van. Is it literally their first one? They've made one van? I mean, what? I mean, but remember, Tesla were like this. Would you put it in a similar category as Mullen? No. Because so far, to my knowledge, Arrival haven't done any big whopping great lies. Mullen do it all the time. How many times have we witnessed and watched for facts the CEO, the directors coming on YouTube channels telling everybody they're about to do a deal with Apple. It's not Apple. I can't remember what the deal were, but it's a dramatic moment. We're about to do this. We're about to do that. And literally the stock flies up, like goes through the roof. And then we find out that never happened, and it drops back down again. And the very people that bought the stock dumped it. It looks the most scammiest stock in the world. Now, I'm not saying it's never going to produce anything. It might well do so. But to me, it's crying wolf 3 times. They keep saying ridiculous stuff. It ramps up the stock. The very people buy it and sell it who are promoting it, and then they dump it again. To me, that is terrible. Let's have a quick look at Mullen. So for me, I can't invest in Mullen anymore. Yeah, look at it, look. Yeah, 33 cents now. Do you remember when we were all making money? Do you remember when we were all making money up here? Do you remember? Was it that long ago? Yeah. Back in January, bloody hell, it was that long ago. Do you remember when we were selling it for $3 and $4? Do you remember between 2 and 3 and 4? Do you remember those days back in the early part of the year? We were doing Mullen all the time. Do you remember? And now look at it, 33 cents. 33 cents. I mean, how many times can you lie? I mean, how many times can you? And you can't. I mean, it's a flipping joke. 33 cents. How can a stock go any? What's the lowest? What's the lowest price anyone's ever seen a stock? What's the price? What's the lowest anyone has ever seen a stock? 33 cents has got to be. I mean, what's the company worth? 50 quid. I mean, I can sell shares. 20 cents. You've seen a 20 cents. 12 cents. 12 cents. It's a typical penny stock. I mean, literally, 0. 22's gone 0. Well, if it's 0, I'm assuming it's bankrupt, right? It's 0, it's gone, isn't it? Anyway, I seen 15 cents. Bloody hell. I mean, you got to ask yourself. If I ever sell shares in the day trader, right, which I kind of do, because the membership plan is for that. The membership plan is for that. If I ever get investor level, then you invest in the shares of my future profits. So I do have that already, actually. But if I was ever going to sell direct shares, I'm not selling a share of this company for the day trader for less than $1. It's guaranteed not less than $1. I'm not selling it. I'm selling it for 3 cents. No revenue, no cash flows, just hype. There you go. Lowest. That's the lowest stock. Is that? Yeah, but that's a crypto though, isn't it? That's a crypto. Do you remember when oil futures inverted? The market was paying you to take... Oh, yeah. Do you remember that one? That was a great one, wasn't it? Do you remember when oil futures inverted? The market was paying you to take delivery of oil during the pandemic. I do remember that. Oh, my flipping God. You remember that one? Anyway, God, what we've lived through. Some of the things we've lived through on this show. And if anyone's got any great memories today, do share them from the show, because if anyone's got any clips that they've taken from the show, share with me today on Discord. We can play them because it is a special day today. It's our last show. We've been doing this for a year and a half, and it's a lot. We've not had a break for a whole year. I've sat here fighting up to 10 hours a day, so we're having a break after tonight's show. Anyway, back in 10 seconds. Here we go. Let's have a look. Crypto Bill. No revenue, no cash flow, just hype. Hello, Mike, Dexter, Ed, Willow, and Bill. There we go. We've got a birthday tonight. It's Dexter's birthday. We're celebrating it tonight in the closing bell. He's been quite clever there. He's thinking, it's my birthday. I could do it now. Or I could hijack his very last show. Which I like, by the way, Dexter. I think it's a brilliant idea. I like that we're going to do that. We're going to end up the way we started. We're going to end up with the family. So brilliant. We're all going to celebrate on the last few minutes. I was so happy for you. I remember how relieved you were after you cleared Margit in the spring. Oh my gosh, yeah, you remember that? I was so happy for you. Hey Queen, I Queen. Yeah. Virgin Galactic down, Virgin Orbit, Tesla down, Rivian down, Last day of the investment quarter today, there will be a lot of money managers trying to pump up the market to make their quarterly performance look a bit better. That's information that we like. I don't know if it's relevant. I don't know if it's good for the market overall, but nevertheless, last day of the investment quarter. There will be a lot of money managers trying to pump up the market to make their quarterly performance look a bit better. Okay? Happy Friday to you all, says the Queen of Self-Braiding. Dexter, I will remember the show. I will remember the show where we all super chatted you and brought you to tears. A great show. Oh yeah, I remember that. Oh God, I was nearly there yesterday with the pain of my portfolio. I was nearly emotional yesterday, but try not to do that again. Otherwise, it looks like I'm doing it to make money, right? You can do it once, you can't do it twice. It's kind of like, oh, he's doing his annual cry. He's doing his annual cry to get some tips. It's a good idea, though. But, yeah, I was blown up. That was just nuts, wasn't it? I was a bit embarrassed about that, actually. Looking back on that video, it was, anyway. End phase has always been sideways, all pre-market. Dexter Sickles. I'm back, Church of Logic. What did I miss? Well, you miss a lot today. That was a good show, says Rob McLean. Yeah. Is something going on? Is something going on? What do you mean, is there something going on? It's the last show this afternoon. Not this one, the closing bell is the last show. Lots of things to tell you, lots of announcements to make. Make sure you don't miss it. And in an hour from now, it's our cash giveaway. How many? Right, we've got 9 minutes to go. Never be embarrassed if you are just showing how you feel. Bloody day, it's looking like. With end phase. End phase? Let's have a look. End phase. End phase energy. Down 4.82. Yep. Down on that as well. This war is a problem. You ain't kidding. Russia will not give up. No, they won't. I can't believe that Vladimir Putin can come on TV and look down a camera lens like I am now to you and tell everybody that he's had a vote, a referendum, you know, in Ukraine, and everybody's voted to be part of Russia. It's so ridiculous. I can't believe it. But he lives in a dream world, doesn't he? He's a flipping lunatic. Anyway, what can I say? So, how many people are in the draw now? Let's have a little look. Let's have a little look for our cash giveaway. Let's have a look. Whoops. Whoops, hang on. What's wrong with this? There we go. Oh, 20. 20 people now. Another person has entered the draw. Thank you very much indeed. It's only 30 seconds long. Watch it and leave a comment. And you can be in the draw. If you've not found the newsletter, it might be in your junk folder. There is the email in the chat, thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. Cash giveaway coming up today. Oh, look at all the loves. Look at all the loves I'm getting over on TikTok today. Let me put that on YouTube. Look at this, folks. I've got somebody on TikTok today blowing up the love. Let me just tune in. Hang on. Bim Boking. Do it again, Bim Boking. And I can share it on the screen. Right, you ready? I'm going to share it on the screen. You got to do it again, though. You ready? Okay, I'm going to put you on the screen right now. I'm going to make you famous. Hey, from Falmouth. I'm from Truro in Cornwall. I'm coming to Cornwall in a few days' time. We're having the Day Trader Convention in Newquay. We're meeting on the beach. So if you want to be there, you can. Let's have a little look. Hey from Falmouth, see it? Tesla prediction. AI day today. I'm holding Tesla. Tesla's one for the future. There we go. Does it show the love? No one else can see it. I can see it. I can see it. But it doesn't show on me looking at myself. Does that make sense? You know what I'm saying. Anyway, thank you very much for the love. I really appreciate that. Cash giveaway today. We do it every single Friday. It's free to enter. It's free for all. And we do it every single Friday. Thank God you wasn't back in the UK today. We are getting the back end of Storm Ian. Oh my gosh, yes. I wouldn't imagine you're getting it yet, are you? It's got to cross the ocean. It's got quite a way to go, isn't it? I would have thought. Anyway, I wouldn't have thought you'd get it just yet. In probably another couple of weeks, I would imagine. Anyway. Will there be any newsletters when you are away? Yes, there will. Yes, there will be newsletters when I'm away. If anybody wants to sponsor the newsletters, it's a $10 super chat. You can sponsor the newsletter. Only members can do that. It's a $10 super chat. It gets opened by over 260. I think it's 270 now. It's a 60% open rate. You can have a sponsor for $10, can have a thumbnail, can have a link and some information. That can go to your wherever, YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, Discord, website, business, wherever you want. And you can sponsor the newsletter, everyone or just one of them, $10, and it gets you a lot of clicks. If you ask Caden, he'll tell you he got lots of subscribers. Tom got lots of subscribers from it. So if you want to sponsor the newsletter, it's $10 and you can be our sponsor. And to show you what it looks like, you will be, here's the newsletter. So if you scroll down, we didn't have a sponsor last week. Newsletter sponsor. This week, no sponsor. So on Sunday, you can be here with a thumb. It'll look a bit like this. You'll have a thumbnail like that. You'll have a link like that and a paragraph of information. That could be you. So if you want to sponsor the newsletter and reach 260 of our members, then you can. It goes out to 206. They are 269. See it? It might be more this week. It always goes up. It goes up every week. So there you go. $10 you can sponsor the newsletter. All right. Storm Ian hasn't reached us yet. I wouldn't have thought so. No, it's raining, but no Storm Ian. Remember warning already, non-stop rain and 50-mile-an-hour winds. Might not be Ian, but feel like it. Absolutely. Bloody well feels like it. I'm right with you, Chris. Okay. Just 5 minutes ago, before the bell goes, we need to get some likes here. Thank God I own a roofing company. Yeah, Ian Jackson. Yeah. I mean, you want to get to America right now, Florida. Bloody hell, all those poor people. Going to need some good roofers who don't rip people off. That's what we need right now. Anyway. The overall portfolio is down again. The S&P is down. Virgin Galactic is just holding around that 480 level now. Tesla's down today. I'm still up 13%. But what's killing the S&P, of course? See, look, Arrival, look at that. If you bought the pump this morning, you would have been disappointed. Amazon, Apple. Oh, my dear God. Insurance companies. Oh, yeah, I know. Insurance companies will take a beating. How are they going to pay for that lot? It's like building like a big chunk of the country, isn't it? My friend only has 2 days left of food with nothing left around him. I'm not surprised, church. I'm not surprised. Bloody hell. I will never forget that also. Does anyone have info on where there is help for those trapped in South Florida, Naples and Fort Myers area? Does anyone have any info? There we go. Church of Logic is asking for a friend who's in trouble. If anyone has any information about that. What? Don't you forget, Queen? Oh, man. Anyway. Down 0.7. We got just a few minutes to go. So we've got Let's get the likes. We got 25 watching, 24 likes. I can't ask for more than that. I can't ask for more than that, so I'm not even going to try. Today, everyone is liked the video, is watching it. I can't ask for more than that. So if you've just tuned in, thank you very much indeed. We're about to ring the bell this morning. It's our last day today on air for a break. We've been doing it now every day, 10 hours a day for a year and a half. We took a break last October, and we're doing it again now. Like button smash, said Houston TX. Excellent stuff. All right, then. Let's get ready. We're coming up to the clock. It's a minute and a half to go. So we want you to smash the like button. If you want the stocks to go up today, the lightning round's coming up. Where are we going to end up? Putin is sick. Is he poorly, do you mean? We know he's sick, but is he like sick? Let's hope so. The Church of Logic is crying again. We're all crying again. The pain is ridiculous, isn't it, mate? All right, here we go. 1 minute. Okay, everybody, smash the like button. Let's get ready to go. We're down another 0.74. Where are we going to end up today? Excuse me. Smash the like button if you want the stocks to go up. Let's make some money. We've got 28 likes, 30 seconds to go. If you want to make some money, smash the like button. I'm going to look into my crystal ball. I think today is going to be the last show. Another break for over a year. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's going to happen today. All right, smash the like button. Here we go. We've got 30 likes. We did it. 15 seconds to go before the bell goes. Time for the lightning round. Here we go. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's ring the bell. Okay, the markets are open, and we always get that little moment. It doesn't always mean anything. Sometimes, look at that. No, there you go. I was going to say, that was the longest it held up then for a moment. Normally, that's just a flash, but it was a flash again. Anyway, 0.96 down. Here we go. 0.1%. Oh, my God, it's going down again. Here we go again. Let's go over to the overall portfolio. What do we do? Oh, my. I said to Leah this morning, how to invest in the stock market. Just throw money down a black hole and never see it again. And at the bottom of the bucket is a big hole straight into someone's pocket. I don't know where the money goes. It just keeps running away. Just keep losing money over and over and over and over again. There we go. Let's go through the lightning round right now. We're just seeing money collapse again. Let's have a look. So we're down 0.93. We're starting to recover. Will we recover today? The S&P. We need to bring up the chart as well. The SPY chart. Not the SPY chart, I beg your pardon. The overall SPX. To see where it's going. The S&P... Those coming up right now. Let me have a look at SPY right now. Chart not available. What's going on with that? It's at 36.4 right now. Let me just share with you. We're at 36.4. People are saying they don't want to see it break. 36.4. We'll keep our eye on that and then see where it goes. But apparently, if it breaks 36.4, that's going to trigger a load more sell-offs. But anyway, let's see what happens. The S&P is down 0.1 right now. Virgin Galactic is down 1.75 and still falling. Virgin Orbit is down 2.15. I'm out of that. Tesla is down 0.98. Unbelievable. I'm still up 12%. I'm holding it. Rivian is down 0.06. Lucid is down 0.85. Arrival is, I'm not in the stock anymore. Amazon is down 0.59. Apple is down 0.41, but coming up. Are you really going to write Apple off? Come on, what is going on with this? Robinhood down 0.31. McDonald's is up 0.09. I bought it, and it kept dipping and dipping and dipping. Prepare for a sluggish market for the next year, says Houston. There are economic results of pandemic and Ukraine war. Sell, says Mo BK. Mo BK has just come in, a guest here. I don't know why he's laughing. Nothing to laugh about. Everyone is here to support people, not to laugh at anyone. We're here to help everyone. We don't have any negativity on the show. Portland Trail Blazers, don't blame you. I will say there may be a buyback at the end of the day. I on Q. Let's go carry on going through our stocks and we'll cover it. Ian Jackson, we're on to it. Coca-Cola is up 0.53. Johnson & Johnson is up 0.4. I'm down just 1.82. Google is up 0.07. Right now we've got... Microsoft is up 0.58. Meta is up is up 1. SoFi is down is up 0.3 at the moment. SoFi is moving. IonQ, here we go, up 7.32. IonQ is up 7.32, starting to move today. There we go. Where will it go? Let's go back to our overall portfolio. We're down 0.35, down 0.49. We've recovered a little bit. Let's carry on with our stocks. PayPal is down 0.6. Rolls-Royce is up 6.84 at 79 cents. Walmart is down 0.5%, 0.44. Target is down 2.56. Tesco is down 1.31, trying to recover. Wow, check CCL. Okay, CCL. Carnival Cruise Lines. There we go. Let's have a quick look. There we go. I told everybody that Carnival Cruise Lines can collapse. Honestly, I've worked on every single Carnival cruise ship. I know what I'm talking about. This company has lost so much money, has so much debt, it may never ever recover. Its ships are out of date. They'll be replaced by much more environmentally friendly ships. If you buy Carnival right now, you are gambling like you are gambling with Mullen. I'm not saying it's the same company. It used to make money, but it may never recover. Its losses are so great. Great cruise. They're not great cruise ships. You might enjoy the entertainment, and thanks to me, because I was the entertainment. But they were a lot of fun, but they don't make any money. And there you go. You might think, wow, I'm going to buy in this today and get a great big pump. I wouldn't buy Carnival Cruise Lines, but it's entirely up to you. I've worked on it. I know what goes on behind the scenes. It's a very, very corrupt company. Very, very corrupt. The stuff that goes on is absolutely terrible. Anyway, let's carry on. Tilray Brands is down 0.5%. Ginkgo Bioworks is down 0.32. Remember a couple of days ago, you're crying, Martyn Lucas. You're crying. Why am I crying? Wow, Arrival. What's going on now? Arrival 89. Well, yes, it was up a lot higher this morning. It's up 25% pre-market. It all fell away. It's because they brought one of their vans out. You're crying, Martyn Lucas. Why am I crying? What's going on? Is there another video running somewhere else? I don't know. Queen, what are you saying to me? Tilray Brands is coming up. Ginkgo Bioworks up 0.6. Enphase Energy is down 1.18. Bitcoin SV is down, it's up 0.28. Bitcoin is down 0.64. And finally, Ethereum is down 0.33. Go back to the main portfolio, down 0.3, down 0.47. Go to the main portfolio, as you can see, we're down again. Let's bring in the comments. Wow, on Arrival. Yeah, it's because they brought a van out. I don't know any more information on it at the moment. Is it one van? Is it hundreds of vans? I don't know. But they brought a van out. Virgin Galactic, 684. Virgin Orbit, 315. Tesla, Rivian, Lucid, Arrival, falling back down. Amazon, falling back down. Apple. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. McDonald's. CCL is just bad. Absolutely. I wouldn't. Should we go and have a look at it? Look at the numbers. We'll go to it right now. Did I keep it open? Let's have a look at their earnings. Estimated. Let me refresh that. Let me refresh that a minute. Look at my portfolio now. Going down 1.34. I just give up, honestly. I just give up on it. It's just everything just goes down, doesn't it? Estimated 0.13, actual 0.58. Disastrous earnings. The company are losing so much money. They've got so much debt. It doesn't look like they're losing that much money when you look at this chart here, but they're not just losing money. They've got so much debt. The company is so now diluted. I don't think it will ever recover. Look at that. Yeah. That's a minus figure. Yes, it's a minus. I know. Didn't I just say that? Yeah, it's a minus figure. I said that. They're losing money. Down, they're estimated to be losing at 13 cents a share. They're actually losing 58 cents a share. Yes, minus. My shorts are wonderful. Yeah, I hate shorts, but I understand why you all do it. The whole world is betting against itself. And I'm afraid everyone's doing it. Everyone's shorting everything now, and everything is going down. And where does the money come from? This is what I want to know. Where does the money come from when you short a stock? When the company is going down? I've never understood that part of options. Everyone is shorting, betting the markets are going down. Where is the money coming from? Because why would anybody sell when everything goes down? Why is everyone selling? So where's the money coming from to pay to pay the people that are betting to bring the markets down? I don't get it. I mean, you know what I'm saying, though, church. We are human beings are the problem. We're not the solution to anything. We are the problem. And every single person plays its part. If you are betting that the market goes down, you are part of the problem. You're making money for yourself, I get it, but at the same time, you're complaining because the markets are going down. But you're shorting the very stocks that you're complaining are going down. We're all doing it to each other, except me, because I don't do shorts. I don't do it. I just will not be negative. It's not what I do. I can't bet on destruction. Don't get it. I know why people do it. It comes from people playing calls. I'm betting against the company. Is Bitcoin SV still worth a punt? Bitcoin SV, I wouldn't buy any crypto right now. I'm just holding it because I've already allocated that funds and I'm just holding it forever. I don't know anymore. I don't know if crypto has got any value whatsoever right now. And because no one's got any money, it's the highest risk. People are selling it all anyway. So probably not right now. I don't know. Malk UK, I have no idea. I think crypto is going to go a lot lower. The Church of Logic, same. I'd rather be long, but if it's pointless in this market. There we go. There it is. I'd rather be long, but it's pointless. Hello, good people. Clocky, it comes from people playing calls. I'll tell you now, when I start to short, usually that's when the market turns around. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Got late today. Yes, Clocky, where you been? You've missed a lot today. Options are derivatives. You're buying an option. If you make money, the option seller loses the money. There you go. This is hard, Sebdean. It is hard. If you hold shares, it can't hurt you what I am doing. Exactly. No, you're absolutely right. It only counts if I sell. If I sell everything today, people who are short in the stocks pick up my money. If I don't sell, it's for the sellers, not for... If you're just holding, you're not losing. I get that. The day trader, my wife loved the video for her birthday yesterday. Amazing surprise. Oh, brilliant. I am so happy, Mr. Clockwork. It's our last show today, and I'm glad that I got you in before it finished. But before I finish, I'm taking a break after today's close. Options derivative having puts doesn't mean you are shorting stocks. Big thank you, Martyn. My absolute pleasure. My absolute pleasure. It's what I do for the members. Somewhat true, says Church. People who short stocks need to borrow the stock and pay a fee for loaning. People who short stocks need to borrow the stock and pay a fee for loaning. There we go. We're learning more from 22 this morning. All I can do is watch, except a couple of days at the end of the month, pension comes and I add $200. I do that too. 22. How many people have invested through the last? How many people here invested through the last bear market? Through the last bear market, I wasn't in it, so I can't say. You deserve a break, Martyn. Thank you very much. Thank you, Leah. Coffee's arrived. $2020, I started. I started at the worst time, also the best time. Because if you start when it's the worst time, you learn the hardest of lessons. And as you know, I've been brought to tears too many times on this show. Too many times. Let's have a look. Let's see what the stocks are doing right now. Let's see what the SPX is. The S&P 500 is doing. Down 2%. 3640. At the moment, it's holding right on the bottom. Plug power kept me in the market. Let's look at my overall situation right now. You can see it. We got our cash giveaway in half an hour. I am in crypto since 2017. It's trying to recover a little bit. How many people have we got in the show now? 44 watching. Fantastic. Welcome to all of you. Welcome. Did we gain any more subscribers? 5,065. No, that stayed the same for the minute. Thank you ever so much for joining us. Welcome, welcome, welcome. As you can see, this is the situation with SPX. Hang on, let me bring it up. We are at 3640 at the moment. We are holding. I got in the market in August. Yeah, so you know what it's like, Seb Dean. Ever since you came in, all you see is losses, right? I don't know anything about shorting, etc. I actually only want to buy and hold for the long run. I started only a month ago in late August. And for you, it's great. If you entered the market the last few months, I would say it's great. It's not the bottom. All you've seen is pain, but you've bought a lot lower than I bought in. I want to say I will never forget you crying on the show. I meant to say I will never forget. I wish you would. I have the strange feeling something is going to happen and market will reverse. I am telling you guys. But I did learn a lot already from you, Martyn, about trimming at the top with space and learning to lower the average. Sid, thank you. I'm not selling and never short as the loss is unlimited. I am not selling and never short as the loss is unlimited. The queen of self-braiding, crypto is part of the process. Crying is part of the process. Crying is part of the process. I wonder when this will end. Seb Dean, I know. But like I've always said, it's not about how hard you can punch. It's how many punches you can take. Because eventually, the sun will come out and we'll all be here to enjoy it. And this is our last day today. I've got big announcements to make in the closing bell this afternoon. Please join me for the last show of the season. And big announcements to make in the closing bell this afternoon. Cash giveaway, of course. And some big announcements to make. So please do join us for the last show this afternoon. The S&P is trying to recover. Virgin Galactic, 487. Virgin Orbit. Tesla. AI day today. Could be great. The last show. Seb Dean, I will explain everything this afternoon. I'm taking a break. I've been sat here for 10 hours a day for a year and a half, and my last break was a year ago. And I haven't taken a break, a single day off from trading days for a year, 10 hours a day. And I'm taking a break, but I have a very special program to replace it. So you are going to get a very special program. I'll explain more about it today and this afternoon. Okay. Our cash giveaway. Let's see how many people are in it now. My last check was 20. Let's refresh the screen. There are now 21 people in the draw. If you've not entered the draw yet, go and open up the newsletter. There it is. I've put it in the chat in case you can't find it. If you've subscribed to it, you'll receive it. And it's a 32-second video. 32-second video, and you have to leave the correct comment. There you go. Go and check it out. Just 21 people in the cash giveaway. Now, even if you don't care about winning the cash prize, I do it to promote the show and to reward you. So please do go and watch it, and it would be great. Look at Arrival. Look, Arrival is becoming like Mullen. It popped this morning because they got a van out. They put a bit of information out, and everybody just sold it and dumped it straight away. It was up this morning. Look at that, 25%, and went all the way back down again. Imagine if you had $1,000, you made $250, and then you sell it again. And that's what's happening right now. No one believes in the stock anymore. At least for now. They might do again in the future. Be back soon. All right, Houston, thank you. Yes, I don't blame you. Thank you, my friend. As you know what we're doing. We're going to England. We're making the movie for Virgin Orbit. The last show says... the day trader, how long will you be away and how will you compensate us for your out of office? It's all taken care of. I have worked tirelessly for weeks to record all of this for you to come out. Look, uploads on the homepage. They will premiere at the same time as the opening and closing bell. Look at all these with my new branding, answering all the questions that you've asked me. What is an IPO? How much should I buy? Is it a good time to buy? What's a dead cat bounce? What are options? What is long? What are shorts? Should I sell when I'm up? Should I sell when I'm down? I've done all these videos for you that will premiere at the open and closing bell, the usual time, and they premiere for members only. So only members can chat, and the idea is to keep all the community together. You can convince her on holiday. What's that? What did Rob say? Idea for more subscribers. You know I'm good at getting TikTokers over to YouTube. Yes, I do. Ask Leah to stay for 5 minutes and chat to you on each show. Ask Leah to stay for 5 minutes and chat to you on each show, and the numbers will go through the roof. You can convince her on holiday. Chat about what? Idea for more subscribers. You know I'm good at getting TikTokers over to YouTube, right? Ask Leah to stay for 5 minutes and chat to you on each show after, and the numbers will go through the roof. To chat about what? What do we chat about? What do we chat about? The coffee? I mean, what do we talk about? How much money I've lost? She doesn't want to know. The day trader, you are amazing, buddy. Can you please send me the link to the coffee mugs? Yes, I will. Martin, you will go viral and you won't even be here. Yeah. The day trader, no need. I found the link in the description. Yep. Told you, everything's already there. Women bring in the money. I know, just to chat about anything. Hey Leah, they're saying we should have a chat. Apparently it's good for business. Why you think every bar is full of female bartenders? I've got some good ideas for you, Martin. I'll send on Twitch. Thank you so much indeed. Thank you very much indeed. 22 was saying to me with the Martyn Lucas channel. This is the Martyn Lucas channel that I do live streams on Twitch for requests. So, I've just not had the time because obviously I'm doing the music all the time. The day trader all the time. But this is my music channel. But anyway, EV sector slowed down. Let me go back into the portfolio. 0.03. We're touching zero at the moment. Very, very close. Only fans. Only fans. Yeah, I'll do only fans. 4629. The S&P broke. 4624. Yeah, looking at this, the 362921, it broke. It's now gone to 3621. Let me share where I'm getting that information from. This is the S&P 500. Look, 3620. So it broke the 40. And everyone said if it broke 3640 was a special magic number. I don't know. Anyway. Ian Jackson, too far. I don't want to see Martyn like that. Too far. I don't want to see Martyn like that. What an OnlyFans. OnlyFans is for, well, we know what OnlyFans is for. Martyn and Leah, 5-minute chat. EV is all moving due to the hype and excitement of something new. Yep, it's AI night tonight, all the robots. I know. We've turned green for the day. We are up 0.1. The S&P is coming up. I'm down 8%. I've been buying more of it. My average was at 331. Sorry, my bottom was 331. It never got that low today, did it? 33. Yeah, touched it again. Virgin Galactic is up 488. Virgin Orbit. Tesla 1.1. 1.14. Rivian, Lucid, Arrival, Amazon, Apple. Maybe I should go up voice when it goes up and down voice. I don't know. What do you think about that? Nothing special about an EV, or says Churchy. Rob McLean. I was thinking of Leah. Yeah. Martyn, the chat idea might be good. Cruise's days are over. The Church of Logic, sorry, call what? Missed it. All those stocks are being dumped now. I'm almost green. Ford, shall we look at Ford for Churchy? Churchy. It's a bit better. I'm still down 21%. Best stock tip in the world. Church of Logic said buy some Ford. I said I'd never buy Ford. Do you remember? And one day he said, "Well, I'll give you a super chat." And I said, "Well, don't give it to me. Give it to the members. Give people membership, and I'll use the money to buy Ford." So I did, because I'm a man of my word, and I'm down 21%. But there you go. It's all part of the course, isn't it? It's all part of the medicine you got to take. Every McDonald's should have a flag and have it half-mast when the milkshake machine is out of order. That's a brilliant idea. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Church. Can you have a look at Oxy? Ian Jackson, I can if you're a member. Are you a member? Let me scroll down. Yeah, you are. I can then. Oxy, Buffett has just bought 5.9 million shares. Bloody hell, that's what I'm talking about. I want to buy 5 million shares. Can I buy 5.9 million shares? Occidental Petroleum. He just bought 5.9. See, look. Yeah, but did he buy it today or last week? Because did he buy it here? Did he buy it last week at 57? When you say he just bought it, can you look at Oxy? This is what we're doing right now, Ian. Ford will be back after the show co-host about the show and your day ahead. Okay, Bill. Wonderful. Says Brickmart. Email them. Today, I believe. To email who? Oh, today? You bought it today? So, I guess Warren Buffett is a bit like 22. Warren Buffett, apparently, if that's correct, he's bought it today. Warren Buffett, then, is like 22. He doesn't just keep buying and buying on the way down. He waits for it to look like it's bottomed and then buy on the first, like when we start to see a recovery. That's what 22 said. You don't just keep buying on the way down. When it hits the bottom and we start getting a recovery, that's when you buy in. And look, it's hit 58. Hit 58, hit 58 3 times, and now it's going up. So now he's bought here. Martyn, check Discord now. Okay, I'm checking Discord. Links for YouTube. That's where it needs to be. Churchy. Let me go into Okay. This is just breaking news from our news reporter, Churchy. Don't buy Occidental stock, analyst says, because Warren Buffett is buying. Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway boosted its stake in oil and gas company to 21% after buying 6 million shares this week. There we go. Is there a link to it? So there you go. That's what we're talking about this morning. They're saying don't buy it. All right. Anyway, a lot of people do that. They follow what Warren Buffett does just because it's Warren Buffett. I don't. Remember I said to you before, everyone's situation is different, and you don't follow me, you don't follow anybody. And I've always said, don't get greedy. Don't get greedy when everyone is fearful. I hate that. I always say, don't. I always say, get brave when others are fearful. That's what I say. Okay, more information from Churchy. Breaking news here. We got our news reporter in the field. He says shares of Occidental Petroleum continue to outperform its peer group and the broader stock market on Thursday after the oil and gas production company disclosed that Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway keeps buying. But JP Morgan analyst John Roal says Buffett's involvement is actually a good reason not to buy. It climbed 1.1 to 62. There you go. There's the information for you. We can get more information as it comes in. I'm sure Churchy will supply it. Right, the overall portfolio has turned green for the day. This is good. We've got our cash giveaway in 15 minutes. We do it every Friday. If you're over on TikTok right now, we're about to give away a cash prize. We do it every Friday. Link is in there. The link is in Discord. Go and check it out. Martin, check Discord now. I did. Cheers, Churchy. Link is in there. The Church of Logic. You are a top buddy. Yes, he is. All right. What's up today then? The S&P is up 0.08. Virgin Galactic is up at the moment. Virgin Orbit is up as well. Sorry, moving up. Tesla is up. Things are just trimming off the top, though, a little bit. We've got to go to a quick commercial break. I nearly forgot it. Can't believe I did that. Back in 10 seconds from now. Very, very good. Okay, we're coming up. This is the last opening bell. We've not had an opening bell missed for over for over a year now. I've not had a break, and today we're taking a break. This is the last show. For a while, Warren Buffett is a scammer, says Mr. Clockwork. I don't know about that, but I don't know. Anyway, let's see if we can. While we're celebrating being green, just for a minute, let's see if we can get 40 likes. I'm going to see if we can get 40 likes, which would be really, really cool, right? Here we go. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Smash the like if you want the stock to keep going up today. I want to get 40 likes, 36, 37. If you want to help this channel grow, we're here. We've got a cash prize giveaway coming up in 15 minutes. We do it every single Friday. Smash the like button. We've got 35 likes. We need to get 37. 3 more if it's possible. Smash the like. See if we get to 40 likes in 30 seconds. Quick sip of coffee. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Smash the like. 37. Would the real Satoshi stand up? Say please stand up. Okay, we're still holding up. We got to 38 likes. Pretty good. Pushing ads at me on how to get more ripped. My body is already a temple. Rob McLean. Now, if you are a member of our channel, you can call in using Discord. Only members only. And that's another big announcement coming up today for our members. Okay, so here we go. This is Rob McLean, all the way from Scotland, live on the phone. He called in, left a message. Here we go.
The best that you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
I enjoy this so much. I'm on a lot of teams, and your content and your energy and your music, I love it. So I'm glad to be here. I love your content. I love your music. I love your broadcast. I'm so happy to be here. So
there you go. Ed Nevius. What about Stu
Here
Watt
on
from
Martyn
Cornwall?
Lucas, day trading. great show, great community. Loving the feels from a local man that is now not local, but soon to be probably local again at some point in his life. Just keep it going, keep getting rich, or at least watching your money and holding your money and saving it for the rainy day, which will come one day.
Hi, I'm the Queen of Soft Rating. I'd like to welcome new members. And if you know you're a YouTuber, come to the Day Trader Show to make your YouTube channel grow. I came to the channel when I had under 100 subscribers, and at the moment I'm going towards 400. So you're in the right place. Keep watching and supporting the channel.
I have to first say that, your show is amazing. Everyone needs to check out Martyn Lucas, the Day Trader. Amazing guy, very honest, very open, packed with loads of information, doesn't feed into the baloney that we hear in the markets every day. Oh my gosh, we're going to only go up. We're never going to go down. Again, daily on the show, every morning, every afternoon.
I'm Kurt Wooker Jr., and I am blessed to have been on the Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out.
Welcome to the Day Traders. This show is an awesome show. I have been supporting it ever since the lockdown has started in the period. My name is Nicholas Squill.
Okay, I was sleeping one day back on August 18th, and I woke up to Martyn singing a song. He advertised that he would do birthdays. My sister's birthday was going to be on that Friday, and he obliged and made a 34-minute video of that birthday party. It was so good, I haven't left the place. I've been here ever since as the place to be. If you want to have fun, make money, enjoy yourself, join the Martyn Lucas Daytime Trader Show. And he sings a song for you. He'll do your birthdays and have a good time with everybody. New members are needed and wanted. And away we go. We have fun. We support each other.
There we go. Some of the members who I will miss your engagement every day doing this, but I'll be back, of course. Carnival. Let's have a little look. I predicted this would happen. The company may go bust. It's it's not a penny stock yet, but it's not far away. It's worth noting that I've not yet had an investment that has gone bankrupt, and it's just a matter of time. With the economy the way it is, we're lining up the bankrupt companies. You know, that we can't just keep companies don't last forever, and Carnival could be bought out, they could go bankrupt and be replaced. Their ships are out of date, their technology is out of date, their debt is out of control. They'll never pay their debts off. They can't. I don't think Carnival can recover. Now you might say, well, this is a great buy. Carnival needs you back. Needs me back on the cruise ships. Yeah. I was actually, Ed mentioned, oh, by the way, Ed saw me on Carnival, and the fleet admiral of the entire fleet was a guy called Luigi. He's a friend of mine, and I actually was the #1 piano man across the entire fleet. I had the record for attendance, the record for tips, sales in the bars, and I was the #1 piano man across the whole fleet of Carnival. I made more money in my bars, more tips than any other piano man by a mile, and it's what bought my house. Remember I told you? All those dollar tips added up. And maybe Ed Nivius gave me a tip, and if he gave me a tip, he's bought a brick in my house. But there you go, over in England. So there you go. Yes, that's crazy. Yes, that's crazy in the piano bar. Yeah. Anyway, it was a good time. Sent him a pic last night. Yeah, I was looking at it. Yeah. So the overall portfolio at the moment is green. We are up very slightly. It's very, very weak, but we are up at the moment. We got our cash giveaway in just over like 5 minutes. Let's check if anyone now has entered any more. Here we go. Let's have a little look and see how many people have entered. 21 is now moving up to. Oops, a daisy. 21 is now moved up. Oh, still 21. So you've got another 5 minutes if you want to enter. It's a 32-second video. I think it's 32 seconds long. Check your inbox for the newsletter 260 of you have been sent the email, so there should be 260 people in there. Some people don't enter the competition. Some people don't leave the right comment. It's only 30 seconds long. You might go, I don't care about winning the money, but please watch it and leave a comment because it helps my channel grow. That's why I do it. I've never made any money on the money I give away. The videos never make $10, never. But the idea is I just want to do something nice and so on. So anyway, let's get ready. We got just 5 minutes to go for our cash giveaway. We do it every single Friday, and we're looking forward to doing it again today. If you bought high, you have to keep buying down to average. That is correct. If you've the way I look at it is this: if you invest in a company, not gamble on a company. I'm not here to do that. If I've invested in a company and I bought it in at one price, and then it gets cheaper, as long as the fundamentals haven't changed, and the fundamentals of VU haven't changed, because it's going to always be adjusted anyway if companies get taken out of the index. So, do you believe in the top 500 companies in America? Yes. So if the price of this ETF keeps coming down, I'll keep buying it. Now, of course, you might argue, like 22 says, well, you don't want to keep buying when it keeps going down. You want to buy it at the bottom. Well, we all want to do that. But that's near enough impossible. And I don't try to stress myself about that. I just keep doing it. So it doesn't mean you should keep buying just because it goes down. Because remember, you also have to consider the balance of your portfolio. Now, I don't mind if the S&P was 90% of my portfolio. I wouldn't get the growth that I need to achieve my targets, but it's a safe investment, okay? Whereas if I got Virgin Galactic to be 90% of my portfolio, I would have to trim off. And that could happen. If Virgin Galactic goes to $30 a day because they announce a flight, this would be 40%, 50% of my portfolio, and then it will be trimmed off. It has to be. But there you go. Anyway, trains in America will never fail. There we go. Too good of a price right now, and the company is not losing money. I'm loading up on CSX again. CSX, we talked about that before. Good company, makes money, and also has a dividend. What's the situation with the train, the strikes, though, Church? What's the situation with the strikes? Right. Literally 5 minutes ago now for our cash prize giveaway. There's the countdown. Virgin Galactic going up again. It's perfect for scalp trading. This is. If I wasn't down, this is perfect. Over the last week, over the last month, perfect. Up, down, around a similar sort of trend. Really, really great. If I didn't have any, if I wasn't down so much, I could have bought and sold, and lowered my averages and, made some money. But it doesn't matter. You can't look backwards. You've got to look forwards. Where we are today is where we are today. Space is due a rally. It is. Strike has been averted. They came to an agreement. Okay, good news. Good news. Gotta go, guys. Martyn will miss you and wait for you. Before you go, Mr. Clockwork, just so you know, if you are leaving, the videos come out every day at the same time. The opening, closing bell, they are members only, so members can chat. They come out every day at the same time. We've got special events while I'm away. We've got Ed Nevius's anniversary. I answer all the questions. There will probably be a prize at the end of the... There'll be a prize at the end when I get back for who watched all these videos and left a comment on all these videos. So please do watch all the videos, leave a comment. They're only 5 minutes long. They go live every day at the same time as the opening and closing bell, so you can all take part and all keep up together. And I will pop in and do and say hello. So please make sure that you do follow me with these live events. I spent a long time making them, and I hope they are of some value to you. Anyway, there you go. Cash prize giveaway. Space is due rally. Got to go, guys. Mike, we will miss you and wait for you. Have a good and green one, Mr. Clockwork. That means so much. Thank you so much. It needs one, says Dave Mottram. Space is due a rally. We've got our cash giveaway in 2 minutes 48 seconds from now. If you're over on TikTok, we are about to do our cash giveaway. Links in the profile, youtube.com/The Day Trader 1. We do it every Friday. This is a very, very weak rally today. Very, very weak. But I'm glad I told you, it's very, very weak. Very, very weak. Facebook scrambles to escape stock's death spiral as users flee. Sales drop. Meta is up today, 1.45. I'm down 17% though. Facebook scramble to escape stock's death spiral as users flee. Fed Vice Chair Brainard warns against threatening a retreating from inflation fight prematurely. Fed Vice Chair Brainard warns against retreating from inflation fight prematurely. That's what Churchy's just announced. SoFi. Carnival, total and utter collapse. It's about to become a penny stock. Now, if you think that Carnival can recover, now maybe you want to buy some. I don't know. Is that probably an all-time low? 52-week low is 760, 740. It's probably an all-time low, isn't it? Yeah, 5 year. I mean, it probably is. I don't know. It's probably an all-time low. I'm not going to invest in that. No way. Right. The time's up. We're going to do our cash giveaway. The US to announce new sanctions on Russia over Ukraine area annexation. No surprise there. Russian President Vladimir Putin announced there are 4 new regions of Russia, referring to the Ukraine areas of Donetsk, Luhansk, Zaporizhzhia and Kherson. Ridiculous. No one in the whole world thinks that. Did you see on the news last night? They were holding people to gunpoint, saying vote for Russia. Ridiculous. And then they go, oh look, everyone votes for Russia. It's stupid. I don't know how this can go on in the world. How we can live in such a stupid world. Anyway, heartbreaking. Martin, odd question. Did you know that Carnival Boss's chauffeur bodyguard Lawrence Gray looked a bit like yourself? Did he? Did you know that Carnival Boss's chauffeur bodyguard Lawrence Gray looked a bit like yourself? I have no idea. Does he? It probably is me. I'm in disguise as the day trader. Right. It's time for our cash prize giveaway. We do it every single Friday at this time. So here we go. So our last cash giveaway until I return, of course. I can't do live cash giveaways when I'm not here. So are you ready? So we're going to mention this once and once only. If you would like to be in the next draw, okay, you need our newsletter. We do it every single Friday. Of course, not while I'm on holiday. It's not possible. But every single Friday, we do a cash giveaway. To be in our cash giveaway, it's free to enter, free for all. You need our weekly newsletter. The newsletter is going to carry on, by the way. The newsletter is going to carry on. There is the newsletter. You click that, and it will bring you to my All Links page. The All Links page is this page here. And right at the top, there is my newsletter. You put your email in there. If you scroll down, you'll see the YouTube channel. You'll see the Martyn Lucas music one if you want to follow my music and my live events, my live shows, because I am doing some shows. If you want to watch my music channel, you can. And then all my social media and all of my giveaways that my sponsors give me to give away to you guys, my Twitter, my Facebook, all those things are down there on the All Links page. Once you have clicked on that, you will receive a verification email. The verification email will likely go in your junk folder because it contains cash prize draw in the subject. This is the email you're looking for. search your junk folder and whitelist it to verify it. Click on it, verify it. Then you will receive the weekly newsletter, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT. Every Sunday it goes out at that time. And then you can enter the cash draw on the Friday. It gives you stock tips. It gives you information. If somebody wants to sponsor the newsletter, it's just $10 and it reaches 260 people. It gives a link to your channel, your business, with a thumbnail and information. So a great opportunity to promote your business or your YouTube channel. Last chance, if anybody wants to sponsor this Sunday's newsletter and all the way through the holiday, you can sponsor all of them for $30. So that's 4 weeks for $30, or you can sponsor one of them for $10. It's a $10 super chat. If you want to sponsor it, it's completely it's $10 a week. Or if you want all of the 4 weeks that I'm away, you can sponsor all 4 weeks for $30. $30 super chat, and your business or your YouTube channel or your whatever it is can be in the newsletter for the next 4 weeks. So very good value if you want to get the newsletter. And remember, it will go up. Even when I'm away, the numbers will go up. So there you go. Okay, so once you get the newsletter, this is what the newsletter looks like. Comes out every Sunday. And in the newsletter, back to the screen here. In the newsletter, that was week 13. There you go, 269 people, I told you. Look, right? You scroll down, it's got all my thick tips, what's going on. If you want to come to the party in the UK on the 15th of October and meet me, you can. Information on my merchandise, you scroll down and there you will see the cash giveaway. This cash giveaway video is here. Watch the videos, it helps the channel grow. And there will be a cash giveaway when I get back for all the videos that are coming out while I'm away. So we're going to do a special prize when I get back for all of those videos. So make sure that you do watch all those as well and keep going with the community. All right, so now we go to the cash giveaway itself. How many people entered? Let's have a little look. There was 21. Let's update it. There are now just 21 people. So we go over to this screen here. And you have to be here to win. So we're about to do the randomizer. Are you ready? Let's do it. Now then, before I do it, I want to make sure everybody is up to date. Otherwise, you'll be behind the stream. Look here. I am grey, so I'm behind the stream. I'm not live, so I'm getting the information out of date. So I won't win the prize. Click that button there and make it live. Always make that live. Are you ready? See, look. See, it's live. That means I'm up to date. If you're behind, you will miss it. Okay. Now then, just before we do the draw, the last thing we have to do is make sure as everyone subscribed to the channel, because if you're not a subscriber, you can't win. It won't pick you. And have you liked the video? If you've not thumbs up the video, you can't win either. You have to win. You have to smash the like button. Done that? Okay, now we're going to draw it. You have to claim your prize by the end of the day via Cash App, which is the best option. I can give you a link if you don't have it, or PayPal, which is not so good because of the charges, but Cash App is the best, or certain crypto I can do as well, and I will communicate with you through Discord. They are the terms of the competition. You ready? Okay, here we go. It's cash prize giveaway time. The winner is Mike 166A. Is Mike in the house? Mike, are you here? I've not seen. Now, Mike is always here, but you know what? I've not seen Mike in the chat today, which is very. Oh, I'm here. There we go. I'm thinking, oh my God, I'm here and we'll give back. What do you mean I will give back? What does that mean? What does that mean? What does it mean? Does he want me to do it again? Mike. Oh, Mike has just given it back. So what do I do, Mike? Mike is the winner. What do you want? I can't. So Mike, just explain. You've just given me a tip for $10. I'm not sure what to do. Do I send you $10 and you send me back $10? I don't know what to do. Mike, are you passing it on? Are you? Tell me what you want me to do. Nice one, Mike. He just gave me a super chat and he just won $10. Hang on, let's see what he says. I need to know what to do. Passing it on. So he wants me to draw it again. He wants me to draw it again. Is that right? Mike wants me to draw it again to give to somebody else. Unbelievable. Okay, yes, draw it again. Okay. Unbelievable. What a legend. What a man. Thank you so much for your support. Let's go again then. Let's go again. Here we go. Incredible. What a great what a lovely gesture. Chris H. Chris H is in the house. How do I win the cash draw? Don't even start Fusion 301. Let's have a look. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Is Chris H in the house? Chris H, I'm here. There you go. Martyn is doing well in the markets. He does not need Martyn's. Mike is doing too well in the markets. He does not need Martyn's money. Ed Nevius is now following me on Twitch. Make sure that you subscribe on Twitch. Right, so Chris H. Fantastic, great stuff. He got it. Chris H. Let me get back to Chris H. Chris H, are you on Discord? Let me go to Discord right now. Are you on Discord? Chris H, what is your username? Because I will communicate with you through Discord and send you the money. Would everyone congratulate Chris H, please? Thanks all. What is your username? I want to message you on Discord. I am on Discord. Okay. What is your username? Message me right now. I'll message you. Thank you very much. Do it now while I'm here, because I know it's you. Because somebody else will pretend to be you, and I'll end up sending the money to the wrong person. Trust me, we've got lots of people on our channel who try to do that. A lot of copycats, people pretending to be me, and all that stuff. Right, Ed Nivius, you just subscribed to me on Twitch. Thank you. Oh, no, you followed me. Now subscribe using Amazon Prime. It's free. If you use Amazon Prime, it's free. And what I do every first Friday of the month, obviously I can't do it while I'm away on holiday, I give back a cash prize to my subscribers. If you subscribe using Amazon Prime, I've got 17 subscribers. You can be the 18th, and I give the money back every month. All right? Okay. Chris said he's done it. So let me go over now and just see. You said you messaged me. Let's have a little look. I don't see a message. That's from Bill. That's from Bill. I don't direct messages. Chris Haight, just so you know, I don't see a message from you. Unless you've gone into the chat. Where have you gone in? Tell me what you've done. General chit chat. What have you done? Yeah, you're saying you've done it, but I don't see a direct message. Okay, I want to confirm that before we go. 35 watching, smash the like button, folks. Fermented Pickles. Hi, I need Discord access. My ID. All right. Okay. If you are a YouTube member, which Fermented Pickles is, I will upgrade your account. I message you personally on Discord. I haven't got a message from you. So it looks like you've messaged the wrong person. Look, this is my direct messages. I haven't got a message from you. So, oh, hang on. Someone, Greek, is this you? Is this you, Greek? I need to, hi, it's Chris. Okay, is this you? Just confirm it's you in YouTube. People pretend to be you. I'm going to upgrade, change your account slightly. I'm going to give you a nickname so I know it's you. Yes, that's you. Okay. It doesn't look like you're on my... Oh, it doesn't look like you're on my server. You haven't joined my server. That's why I can't rename you. You've not joined my server. Hi, mate. Congrats. Okay, I will send you the money when I finish the show in a minute. I don't think you're on my server. If you were on my server, I could change your name, but I don't think you are. Let me go to Greek a minute. And I've also got an account to update as well. Yeah, you're not in my server yet. You've not joined it. Let me give you the Discord. Let me give you the Discord. Here it is. I'm in Discord. I'm in the Discord. You're saying you're in the Discord, but I don't see you. I don't see you. Greek. Greek. Yeah. There we go. Greek. Okay, change nickname. Okay. So this is Chris H. Chris H. Chris H. There you go. Now we know. Now I know who you are. There you go. That's Chris H. I've done that. Now I will now communicate with you. Yes, Nicky Boy Game. I want to see if I can tonight's show. I want to see if I can call in tonight's show so I can have a message. Yes, I'll open Discord up for you now. I'm going to upgrade someone's account. I'm going to open up the broadcast lounge to test it. Right, the broadcast lounge is now open. Dexter Sickles, are you on YouTube? Are you on Discord? There is the broadcast lounge, so you can come into it now. It's right at the bottom, and you can see it if you've been upgraded. Maybe the kids could say something. That would be amazing. How's everyone's show doing? Great, Nikki. Let me upgrade this other guest. Fermented Pickles. What is your Fermented Pickles? What is your username? Oh, there you go. External. He's given me his name. External Assassins 3. You are not showing up on my server. Unless you are in. No, I don't see you in. Your name is External. I don't see you in. External Assassin. There you go. No messages from you. Yeah. Check the welcome all tab. Okay, you're in there. Thank you. Thank you very much. The welcome all tab. Thank you very much. Now I can find you. Fermented Pickles. There you are. There you are. There you are. There you are. You are now. I can now upgrade you. And you are called Fermented. I need to change your name for me on here so I know who you are. All right. Fermented Pickles. Fermented Pickles. I do this on my server so I know who you are for me. Okay. And I'm going to upgrade you because you are a member. Roles. There you go. Member. There you go. Okay, you are done. You can also now see all the private channels. You can also now see the broadcast lounge. You can call in. There you go. Thank you very much indeed. That's all been done. Thanks for having me, mate. My pleasure. Thank you. You can now call in if you want to. Yes, you could do it tonight. Absolutely. Thanks for having me, mate. Yeah, good. Right, we're all done. We've got everybody up to date. The overall portfolio is moving up a little bit. This is good. So, our guest who won today, when I finished the show, so I do you Greek? Do you have Cash App? Okay. If you don't have Cash App, don't get it. I'll give you my referral so you can win my prize and you can also get $5 by setting it up as well. So if you don't have it, I've just sent you a message. Chris H. So just check your Discord. And if you don't have it, I will send you a link. And if you use my referral, not only will you get the prize from me, but you'll also get the referral link as well. Look at everything going up. I do not have it. Okay. I shall give it to you now. So let me give it to you. Let me give you the Cash App link. If you set this up, if you don't want to be paid by Cash App is the best because there's no fees and you get the best reward. If you don't want to set it up, I understand. I'll do PayPal, but then you get a fee. So unless you're in America, of course. But anyway, there's Cash App for you. If you set that up, all you've got to do is set it up like all payment systems. Link it to your bank like Robinhood, like many banks, Cash and these sort of apps do. And then I can send you your prize plus you get the referral. What you need to do is send $50 to get to get the referral. So what some people have done on my show, many people have done this on my show. I know it sounds a little bit weird, but they have done it because they've got no one else to send it to. They've sent me $50 and I send them back 55. So, sorry, 60 because you've won $10, right? People have done that live on my show. That way you get the $10 from me and you get the $5 referral. So you end up winning $50. I just had to send $5. I just had to say, oh, did you? Is that all you had to send was 5? And I sent it straight back. Remember that? So I thought it was 50, but okay, 5 then, even better. So anyway, if you set it up, Chris, then you can have all that done. Anyway. And if you prefer PayPal, that's absolutely fine as well. I'm just telling you what the best is for your money. Hopefully a rally here possible. Triple bottom. Look at this. Ed Nevius is saying to us now, hopefully a rally here possible. Triple bottom bounce. Look at the markets. What a great way to finish. Look at this, folks. Look at this. Oh my gosh. IonQ. Let's have a little look. PayPal, Rolls-Royce, Walmart, Target, Tesco, Microsoft. Where's my IonQ? Oh, it was probably here. Carnival's recovering a bit. If you're brave enough to do that. $12.5%. Oh, I'm up. I've never been up on IonQ. I'm up on IonQ. Notice market is not here right now. No. Church, because I've noticed, you do get very excited with market. He's always here on bad days. Very rarely here on good days. Just saying. Okay. It looks like my friend Chris has set up Cash App, it looks like. Look at this now. Let's just check my overall portfolio. Just bear with me, folks. I'm just sending Chris H some money. That's what I'm about to do. Like to get it paid before I go on holiday. Don't you hate it some days when you just can't remember how to do anything? You look at things and you think, I ain't got a clue what I'm doing. Why isn't Discord on here? That's weird. $2.13 lurking, says Dave Mottram. He's lurking around, watching what's going on. The S&P is coming up. Margin, says Arnold Palmer. Not today, mate. Not today. Not this day. Tesla 273, Rivian. There's some really good news in the markets. What a reversal at INQ. Too bad I did not buy any. I know. What a reversal. 13%. Yeah, I'm up. Look at that. Should I sell some, take a profit? What do you think? It's Amazon's second biggest investment. Over on TikTok, I'm going to say goodbye to you now because I need to use my phone. So I'll see you back this afternoon for the closing bell. Take care of yourself, guys. I need to use my phone for Chris H. I said the money managers will pump it up for a quarter end figures. But what are we going to see? Are we going to see a drop off again then? Is it all completely pointless or what? What do you think? Chris, that link's not working. Can you give me your Cash App username, please? Just give that link for some reason doesn't want to work. Can you give me the Cash App username? I want to pay you $10, and is it the last part of that message? I'm going to just confirm that with you. That's what I thought. Yeah, Chris. Just doing it now. Okay. CHRISHL. Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right, mate. I'm paying you the money now. I'm paying you your prize money. You'll get £9.01 because of the exchange rate. Oh my God, that's the best I've ever seen. All right. Here you go. There's your money. Look, send. All right, you just won. Congratulations. Thank you very much indeed. There you go. There's your money. All right. Congratulations. That's yours. Just confirm you've got it. I got a patent. No, church means nothing at all. Doesn't matter at all. It means you got more than $25,000 though in your portfolio. I now know that. But no, it doesn't mean anything at all. I get them all the time. If you've not traded for a while and your numbers have gone down, then it's woke up the system again, right? I get exactly the same thing. Once you're a pattern day trader, it means absolutely nothing. It's just telling you that you've traded so many times in so many days. That's all it means. Absolutely nothing. It's not a bad thing. It doesn't do anything. Right now, I haven't day traded for a few days. All my 5 days have fallen off again. So if I started trading again, I would be marked as a pattern day trader. As soon as I did like 5 trades in one, or 3 in one day, or 5 in one day, whatever it is. And it's just there to protect you, to remind you not, to calm down. But if you are happy with your trades, makes no difference at all. Doesn't do anything at all. So don't worry about that. Hello, people from planet Earth. This quarter-end results. Their quarter-end results depend on today's close. Next week, I think, says 22. It doesn't mean it'll stay up, though. I need to break 366 on SPY for a nice move. Let's look on SPY, not SPX. Okay, let's look on SPY then. Uh, 366. Need to break 366. We're all 363. We're a bit of a way to go yet, but we'll keep an eye on it. Yes at church. Only get three day trades per 5 days. So yeah, unless it's a cash account. Yeah, it makes no difference at all. Doesn't do anything. So it only costs you 9.30 cents. What only cost me 9.30 cents? Oh, thank you, mate. He's got it. I have it. If you have E-Trade, they are now offering 2% APR on their platform savings. So if you're Fusion, guess how much Robinhood is? 3% on your cash. 3%. Unbelievable. My ex-girlfriend won't be coming now. Okay. Oh, what? My ex-girlfriend won't be coming now. It's just me as we broke up this morning. Oh, look at that. We get everything here on the Day Trader. Now we get breakups. Well, that's the first breakup we've ever had. I can't believe it. Even guys the same. I tried... yeah, even guys the same. I tried girls. I tried... What? What's going on here? Broke up this morning. We are so sorry to hear that. So sorry. Okay. So, well, thanks for letting me know. I can take her name off the list now. I'm so sorry about that. Well, we'll look forward to seeing you, mate. Oh, we send all our love to you, mate. Really am sorry to hear that. Never nice, is it? Just scrolling down here a minute. Let me just update this account. Just bear with me a second, guys. I'm just trying to fix something. Yeah. Greek. I have confirmed it. Chris H. You're not on my server. I can't see you on my server. I know you're messaging me, but I don't think you've accessed my server. Let me give you that link again. Can you go into the welcome all? I'm trying to update your name, and it won't let me. There's the Discord link. Chris H, you've messaged me, but I don't think you've actually entered my server. If you can. Chris H, it's showing there, look. Why can't I not see it? Oh, hang on a minute. No, it is working. Sorry, ignore me. Ignore me. Forget what I just said. It's fine. It just doesn't change it in the comment, in the whatchamacallit, the comments, in the direct messages. Don't worry, that's fine. My mistake. If you have over 25,000, does not apply. Doesn't do it. Well, it does. It does, Ed. I still get marked as a pattern day trader with 25,000. I just want to correct you on that. I have more than 25,000. My portfolio is 34,000, and I do get marked as a pattern day trader all the time whenever I go over a certain number of trades. So I do. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't hurt me. I'm just saying it does flag me. Know the feeling. People are scared these days and unsure what they want in life. There you go. Nice message from church. There's great. Yeah, that's great. All things considered. says Fusion 301. Keep your head up, Nicky boy, and we're all been there. It's not easy. Nicky Boy Gaming, we're sorry, mate. Well, you got a family here. We're going to look forward to seeing you in Cornwall. Are you still coming to Cornwall? I hope you are. Yeah, everyone ain't worth a damn, mate. Best investment in yourself. Hang on a minute. We're all here. We're not going anywhere. Dave Mottram. Dave, are you coming to the party? I haven't got your name down. Are you coming? Dave Mottram. Hey, Nicky boy, in that case, can I have a pasty? I'm trying my best to keep going. I'll be streaming shortly, and I'll try and tune in if I can. Nicky Boy Gaming. God, what about the dog? Oh, come on, 22. Yeah, you come. My God. Yeah, you can, Dave. My dog passed. Oh, flipping heck. 22. Logan Pizza. Good morning, Logan Pizza. Hello, how are you? Any news on Virgin Galactic? Yes, there is some more news on Virgin Galactic. Funny you mentioned that, actually. There is some good news on Virgin Galactic, and I can actually share that with you as well. Some good news on Virgin Galactic, yes. Oh, by the way, great video. By the way, Nicky Boy Gaming, great video. Really appreciate the video, by the way. Look, this is the breaking news from Virgin Galactic. More post this morning from Virgin Galactic. They are hiring at a rate of knots at the moment. More people, more jobs and being filled. These are all like the first time... be the first applicant to apply. Look, new ones. I checked that these positions are going as well, so it's good. More positions at Virgin Galactic. So yes, more good news for Virgin Galactic. If they're hiring, it's got to be good news, right? I always thought there was a penalty. Good to know. No penalty at all. None whatsoever. It's just there. It's there for your protection. It's all to do with gambling laws, right? It's all to do with gambling laws, and they don't want to encourage irresponsible gambling, irresponsible day trading. It's just there. If you've got over $25,000, you can trade as many. I mean, I get pattern day traded all the time. Nothing happens. Nothing whatsoever. They won't freeze you. They won't freeze you. No. As long as you have $25,000, that's correct. If you have under $25,000, he's right. Then you will get frozen for a period of time. So it's there to protect. If you've got over 25 grand, it makes no difference. So we're just confirming what Ed just said there. Do you want sauce with that, Dave? LOL. 22. Oh, by the way, talking of Nicky Boy Gaming then. Hang on a minute. Right. Nicky Boy Gaming is now live on the show. We're going to have some fun. He said I can share this. Nicky Boy Gaming, are you ready? Is everybody looking forward to this? Here we go. This is Nicky Boy Gaming in the house. Look at this. I'm really excited. This is awesome. Look at this. This is Nicky Boy Gaming enjoying my music live on the show. Look at this, folks. Look at this. This was me last night doing Dire Straits. How cool is that? How cool is that? I love it. I love it. I love it. There we go. That's me on last night's show. This is Nicky Boy Gaming having some fun. Look, I'm on the big screen. He's dancing around the house. Best YouTube channel in the world. There you go. There you go. Nicky Boy Gaming. I love that. Thank you ever so much for sharing that with everyone this morning. And he did give me permission to play it. He said, if you want to share it, you can. So I thought I would. It means so much that people are enjoying the show, enjoying the music. Brilliant. 22. What's 22? LOL. What's going on there? I always thought penalty. I missed the comment there. I didn't see what that one was. I might apply to work for them. There we go. Yeah. Luckily sustained minimum damage from Ian, friends and family down south have lost everything. Plan on donating to my southern neighbours in Naples. Logan Pizza, one of our biggest investors, Musanella, was right in the front line. He was at what's it called, Tampa Bay, and fortunately he's okay, but it's going to take a long time. Did you get my video last night, Mark? I just played it. Go Nicky. Nice. Love it. Why would anyone leave a guy with those moves? There you go. Love it. I need your help, Logan. I need your help, says Church of Logic. I have friends in need in Naples as well. There you go. The two of you start talking. Logan Pizza. Church has got a concern for a family and friends, so maybe you can help and be some of assistance. So, Logan Pizza, start talking to Church of Logic. He's after some help. There we go. We put those two together now. Brilliant. There we go. Up 0.38. S&P. Okay, let's do a quick commercial break and then come right back with Day Trader of the Day, and then we need to wrap today's show up, I think, as well. So here we go. Could we be right back in 10 seconds from now? Here we go. Oops, wrong button. And we're back. Let's have a look, see if we've got any more subscribers today. Let's have a look. 180 people have come through the stream. Very, very nice. Let's have a look. 5065, just the one. Hey, every person. Do you know what? It's very, very important for me. I don't know if anyone ever thinks about this. That's 5,066 people. 5,066 people who have come onto my channel and subscribed to it. It's a huge honor. It's a small town. It's a small town of people that follow my channel. Huge honor. Every time that goes round one, that's a human being with a story, with a life. Anyway, what can I buy now, says Rohit Patil. Rohit Patil, how are you this morning? Welcome to the show. You should be a member here. We've got some very important videos about to start. Did they get bad damage, says Logan Pizza. Chris H, I have to go. All the kids to sort out. See you all later. Thanks for the win again. Chris H, you're very, very welcome. Thanks for being here. Hopefully see you for the last show this afternoon, for the closing bell. The last show before we take our break. And you need to be here for all the information that we're going to share with everybody. Up 1.7, gotta go, up 0.53. Let's do Day Trader of the Day and wrap up the show because everyone's looking to get on. So let's do Day Trader of the Day then. Here we go, Day Trader of the Day. I am up today, up 1.76%. Let's do Day Trader of the Day and then we'll get out of here. There we go, and we'll come back for the last show this afternoon. Right, put a minute on the clock. Here's my score. When the first person posts, we'll run a minute clock. Jason Newman said he's up 0.53. So let's put a minute on the clock right now. Here we go. So I am winning at the moment. Bye-bye, Jason. What's the Amazon stock market like? Amazon is... Let's have a little look. Amazon's up 0.65 today. Up 1.76. Thank you very much. Up 0.82. Am I the winner today? Or what? Up 0.82. Up 1.67. Churchy goes into the lead. Churchy's having a great time right now. Church, you're up every day. You're winning every day, mate. You must be chuffed, right? 2.03 for Fusion. Church of Logic, pretty good, right? He's up every single day. Logan Pizza's up 3.4. Brilliant. Churchy, I think you win today again. Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. And here's the sound effects. Absolutely great. Looking good. Looking good. Very, very good indeed. Okay. We've come to the end of the show. We are now going to close and end the show. We are back. It dropped to 463. Hey, take it. Take it. We are back this afternoon for the closing bell. It is the last closing bell. This was the last opening bell until we come back at the end of October. I've been sat here now for a year and a half. And I've been sat here for a year since my last break. Every day, always, 7 days a week I'm actually in the studio, but 5 days a week you see me here live, up to 10 hours a day, trying to help support people through breakups, bereavement, making money, losing money, margin calls, sickness, weddings, anniversaries, birthdays. We've done it all. We're here for everybody. And we've got one more show to go. The closing bell tonight. And then that'll be it. But while I'm away, I've created special events where you can win a cash prize when I return if you watch all the videos and leave a comment on all the videos. And here is the videos. They will come out at the same time. Well, I want to keep the community together. They're only very short videos, so you need to be on time if you want to be in the live chat. Every opening bell time and every closing bell time, you know what time they were, right? I have these videos coming out, answering all the questions about stocks. A very short video, and you can chat in the live chat. Only members can chat. KK2, one of my gold badge members, one of my gold badge original members is here. We got royalty in the house. He's got a yellow badge because he's been a member for the longest time. No one has got a gold badge yet, but he's a gold badge member. That's KK2. There you go. Thank you so much for your support. He's been a gold badge member the entire time. We have 7 actually gold members. Anyway, thank you KK2. Incredible. These videos will come out at the opening bell and closing bell time. Only members will be able to chat in the live chat. So please do go into the live chat. And then you can leave a comment below. And if you leave a comment below every video, they're only 5-minute videos for the opening and closing bell. And then the last weekend, the Saturday and Sunday, is the Nearly There video and the final video. On the Saturday and the Sunday, there you go. Can you see it on the screen? Can you see it on the screen? Let me zoom in. There you go. There's the last one and the Nearly There. They will come out on the Saturday and the Sunday at the opening bell times. All right? Leave a comment if you've watched all of them and you've watched the entire series, 42 videos, and you've left a comment and you've left a like to all of them, you'll be in our special giveaway at the end when I come back on the 31st of October for the first show. All the live shows are also pre-scheduled. They're all scheduled as well. They're all in the can, ready to go. So that's it. I was driving my slingshot, says Dector Sickles, up 5.58. Oh, you would have, would you have beaten Churchy? Yeah, you would have done, but too late. Too late. Later, let's see if we get 366 breakout on SPY. Hopefully looks like it will, says Ed Nevius. Well, let's hope so. Looking very nice indeed. I'll see you all back for the closing bell. This was the last opening bell. Year and a half we've been doing this. Last opening bell for vacation time. I will see you back for the closing bell. All we need to do now is roll those credits. Someone give me the roll the credits and let's do it. I have had a time being on time for the day trader. I have had a time this week. I was trying to text my score, but my Ford scooter kept disconnecting. All right, it's time for the roll the credits. Here we go. Roll the credits. Let's do it. See it later. And we're also going to celebrate with Ed Nivius for his anniversary as well. You don't want to miss that. And also you don't want to miss Dexter Sickles' birthday as well this afternoon. The whole family are going to be here. Very excited about that. It's going to be a big, big afternoon. So there we go. Stars of the show, thanks for your support. Moderators, Mike slayed the bot again. Super chats, just the one today from Mike. Thank you ever so much indeed for donating his winnings today to Chris H. How wonderful was that? Really, really great. Absolutely amazing. So there you go. And Ed Nivius followed me on Twitch. I hope you now go and subscribe, Ed Nivius, using Amazon Prime. It's completely free. My sub not count. My sub not count. Followers, Ed Nivius, subscriptions. Yeah, Voltrarian. Yes. Yeah, I saw it. Yeah, so there you go. I was thinking, hang on, yes it did. I have no control over this, by the way. You know, this just does it thing. You know, so so Ed, go and follow me on. Subscribe now. Subscriptions: NJT, Voltrarian, and Shad. They've now subscribed to me on Twitch, and you should do that, especially if you've got Amazon Prime, because it's free. But 22 today so graciously paid for it without Amazon Prime. He paid for it out of his own money. Well, every first Friday of the month, obviously not this month because I'm not going to be here, but every first Friday of the month there's a cash giveaway. So for our subscribers, so you might as well subscribe to me. It's free. But of course, our dear friend 22 paid for it, and I hope you continue to do that so I can give it back to you as cash prize giveaways. Anyway, that's it. We're all done. See you next time. I will see you back for this afternoon show. Look at the stocks rising up right now. It's looking much, much better. We're very, very happy. Things are looking good. But that's it from me. Have a wonderful afternoon. I'm up 2.11%. What a way to finish. See you back this afternoon for the last show for over a year and a half. Take care of yourselves and each other.